viewers, this is Garima Kushwaha, first year professional medical student at JMC Bettiah. Today I am going to share NEET 2021 aspirants can continue preparing during lockdown time. Okay, so how you can prepare your NEET UG during lockdown? I am going to share the tips and tricks for it. Okay, instead of panicking and worrying, aspirants must consider the current situation as a blessing in disguise and invest this time in strengthening their preparation. This lockdown can be a stepping stone towards a brighter tomorrow. Online mock test. It is rightly said that practice makes a man perfect. With a new dates released for NEET, the countdown for the country's major entrance exam has already begun. Good practice can help you ace these exams. Although NEET has to happen in the pen-paper mode, online test platforms help students prepare real-time reports, and the analyticals help analyze their strength and weakness. Error analysis and time action on weak areas will certainly pave the way to success. Live online crash courses. If you were involved in board exam preparation for the entire year and could not devote time to prepare for NEET, you should now enroll yourself for an online course to boost your preparation. These courses will not only help you revise the concepts but also fast track your preparation and give it an extra boost. While attending physical classroom is not longer any option, live online classes can help you continue learning just like in real class. Engage in self-study. Self-study plays an important role in a student's overall success. Devote time to self-study and revising the concept during lockdown so that your concepts stay, which are asked in NEET are from. Okay, manage screen time. While studying from home, it is important that you manage your screen time better. Do not sit at a fixed place for long hours. Study in short sessions and take frequent break after every 50 to 60 minutes. Once you are done with the topic, move around and stretch your body. You can also balance your study time by studying from textbook. That will help limit your screen time. Apart from that, reduce your time on social networking apps and rather indulge in indoor physical activities such as yoga, meditation, etc. that will boost your health and well-being. To reduce strain on your eyes, engage in special exercise of the eyes like that. Okay. The lockdown inflicted by the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic has not only brought the entire nation to a standstill but also put a halt to the dreams of many aspirant students looking forward to appearing in major entrance exams like NEET UG for admissions to MBBS and BDS courses. Instead of panicking and worrying, aspirants must consider the current situation as a blessing in disguise. Okay. With teachers, the significance of a teacher can't be measured. A teacher is imperative for the success of a student. Hence, it is important that you stay connected with your teachers even during lockdown period. Get all doubts and misconceptions cleared by your faculty so that similar mistakes do not appear or repeat in future. Focus on NCERT text. Your NCERT textbook are the mantra for success. Every line of the NCERT textbook entails important information. During the lockdown period, you should devote time to revising the NCERT textbooks and practicing all the questions it contains. Remember, 85 to 90% of the questions being asked from the NCERT. All you need to do is stay positive and utilize this extra time efficiently and judiciously to boost your preparations. Okay, so this is all what I have to see. All the best for NEET 2021. Okay, all the best.